Hello guys, Nick here. So in this video, I'm gonna talk about 13 e-commerce hacks that will actually make you print money. Now, most of the advice you hear online is absolute garbage. Just find the winning product, Andromeda hacks. But that's bullshit. That's bullshit. That's not how it works. We are gonna talk about strategies that real operators do, the ones that are doing 10, 15, 50, 100k days. They are playing a completely different game, and I'll show you 13 actionable steps that you can do today in your e-commerce brand. So let's dive in. All right, hack number one. Stop chasing products and start chasing markets. So when I was starting out, I thought it was all about finding the product, the one that would make me rich, and that's wrong. That's absolutely shit advice, and whoever told you this advice is fucking brain dead, because the product is actually the vehicle. The market is everything. So you need to find a group of people who already want something so badly that they're actively searching for solutions. And that is mass desire. So if you're selling to a cold market that doesn't care, your offer doesn't matter, your creative doesn't matter, and you're just dead on arrival. So forget everything you heard about find a winning product. You have to find a winning market. So before you test another product, ask yourself, does this market already want this, or I am trying to create a desire from scratch? All right, hack number two, build congruency from ad to checkout. This single one thing changed everything on my brand. So listen, if your ad makes a promise, your landing page needs to deliver that exact same promise. Same words, same emotion, same mechanism, same avatar, same on your product page, same on your checkout, if you can on your checkout, because you can't always customize checkouts, and same on the post-purchase funnels, especially on the OTO1 and OTO2. You need to match the promise. So let's say, for example, you have a skincare product that is targeted to Black women. You can't say on the ad that this skincare is for Black women and then on the landing page just show your skincare. You need to have the exact same avatar on the landing page also. So if your ad is skincare for Black women, you need to create a landing page that is also relevant. It's not difficult, just keep in mind that you have to match the message, match the avatar, and mirror the language. Keep the promise alive from click to checkout. All right, hack number three, flood Google Shopping campaigns with duplicated products. This is one of the most underrated. This is one of the most underrated strategies out there, and it's how brands scale to multiple six figures on Google alone. And I haven't heard anyone talk about this. I have tried it myself in my e-commerce brand, and it absolutely printed. So listen, here is how it works. So let's say you have your hero product in Shopify. You'll duplicate the same fucking product 5 to 10 times, the same SKU, and you'll push all those duplicates in Google Merchant Center. Then you'll give each duplicate a different title targeting a high intent keyword, and you can also include your top competitors. So instead of having one listing in Google, you now have 10 listings, all targeting a different angle, a different avatar, a different high intent keyword. Let's look at an example. Say you have this magnesium right here. You'll duplicate the magnesium 5 to 10 times and give it a different keyword. For example, here you'll say best magnesium for sleep and anxiety. That's a different angle. Here you'll say doctor recommended magnesium supplement for muscle cramps. You can also include competitor name, so you can give it competitor name here. It's so simple and so unsaturated. Please follow this strategy. You'll thank me later. All right, hack number four. CPC is the king of soft metrics. Listen, everyone obsesses over ROAS and CPA, but if you're not watching your cost per click, you're flying blind. Your CPC actually tells you if people give a damn about your ad. It's the earliest signal that your creative is working or dying. So here's how Facebook works. When you launch an ad, you get all these data points back: CPM, CTR, CPC, CAC, and most of it, it's going to look like garbage at first. But if you learn how to read and identify where the constraint is, you can go from unprofitable to profitable fast. So if you closely watch and study your CPC, you'll be ahead of everyone because you'll not burn budget to ads that won't work. You'll know whether to leave your ad running or not because you have studied the early signal of CPC. So always keep an eye on your CPC. Alright, hack number 5. Start using quiz funnels. Quiz funnels are probably the most profitable acquisition model right now, and some of the largest brands on the world are actually printing right now with quiz funnels. And why? Because you create a personalized experience. You get micro commitments from your customers before they even buy. And that's why they print like crazy. So if your brand and product allows it, instead of sending them into a product page or landing page, try testing a quiz funnel. Research your market and try to list every objection they might have in those quizzes. Make them feel in a way that by the time they see your product at the end of the quiz, it feels custom made for them. Your conversion will fucking skyrocket, but you have to do it right. You can also use a tool like Heyflow or some Shopify built-in app to build quiz funnels. It's so easy. Just test it. All right, hack number 6. Use Google AI Studio to build feedback loops on your ads. So most people launch ads, see if they work and move on, but the real operators build feedback loops. Every test you run needs to teach you something. If your ad flops, why? If your ad is a winner, why? What patterns are the most commonly used in your winning ads? Why your ad flopped in the losing ad? Was it your message, your hook, the messaging? You need to feedback loop so you can create better ads in the future. And how you can do this easily? By using AI. That's why I told you about Google AI Studio, because Google AI Studio is the only tool right now that can analyze frame by frame video. You can just plug your winning ads in Google AI Studio, tell it to analyze them, ask it what made this ad work, what patterns do you see across my top 5 winners, what I should test next based on these learnings. And over time, you'll build a database of what works for your market and your brand. And that's how you'll go from guessing to knowing. Hack number 7. Use the Hormozy value stack when creating your offer. This is critical. This absolutely scaled my brand because your offer is everything. And most people suck at building offers because they don't understand how to stack value. So here's the formula Alex Hormozy uses on his service-based business and how you can implement it on your brand. Look at this graph. Dream outcome multiplied by perceived likelihood of achievement divided by time delayed and effort sacrifice. That equals value. So to simplify it, make the outcome big and clear, show proof it works, and make it fast and easy. So instead of saying buy your supplement, you can say get visible abs in 8 weeks without giving up carbs. 1 scoop per day. 97% of users see results in 30 days. And if you don't, we'll refund you. So you explain the dream outcome, which is abs, proof, 97% success rate, low time delay, 8 weeks, and low effort, 1 scoop, and risk reversal money back guarantee. And that's a high value offer. And high value offers print money. All right, hack number 8. Start using post purchase funnels. And this is the easiest money you will ever make, and still most people don't do it. Because when someone buys from you, they're already in the most emotional state they will be in your entire funnel because their credit card is already out and they just said yes to buying from you. And if you are not offering them something else right after you check out, you're leaving money on the table. You can use order bumps, one time offers, and these can 2x your AOV with zero risk to your conversion rate. Especially the first upsell, the one right after your checkout, the OTO one, has the highest priced elasticity. You can charge more here than anywhere else in your funnel. So please, please, please take advantage of this. Stop being dumb and just having one product and using zero post purchase funnels. Please stop doing that. You're pissing me off. You can use tools like Funnelist, Checkout Champ, Shopify Plus to build post-purchase funnels. Do it and just fucking watch your AOV explode. Please do it. Because here's the truth, the advertiser who can spend the most to acquire a customer wins. And the only way you spend more is by having a higher average order value. All right, hack number 9. Create a top 50 brands document and an ad inspiration library. I don't have to say a lot, you just need a swipe file, period. Not to copy from other brands, just to learn from them. And me personally, when I see a brand doing 10 million, I reverse engineer everything. I just spy their ads. I try to learn. I also try to understand the patterns they use, what's their hooks, what's their message, what's their avatar. I just immediately add them to my swipe file. And a tip I can give you on swipe files is try to keep it organized, formatted by VSL, UGC, length time, type of ads like founder ads, UGC, organized by niche, whatever feels like the most comfortable to use. I most likely organize it by awareness level and length time. You can do whatever you like. Hack number 10. Until you scale to 50K a month, keep your ad account simple. Most beginners overcomplicate their ad account. They have 10 campaigns, 50 ad sets, 100 ads, and that's a nightmare. Until you scale to 50K a month, please just keep a simple ad account structure. All you need is one CBO campaign and one promo or retargeting campaign. Whatever else you hear, it's fucking bullshit, especially those Andromeda videos that are coming. It's bullshit, please trust me. Hack number 11. Start using diagnosis bundles instead of buy more, save more. So stop doing buy 3, save 20%, buy 2, save 10%. And that's just lazy and that's so common, everyone uses it. You can frame your bundles as situational diagnosis. So let's say you sell bottles. You can frame it like one bottle for you, two bottles for you and your partner, three bottles for the whole family. Because the truth is that people don't buy discounts, they buy scenarios, they buy identities, they buy the version that fits their life, not the cheapest one. Hack number 12. Emotional story ads to persona forking. So, this is a big one. When you find an emotional ad that's crushing, fork it by persona, fork it by avatar. Take the exact same story, the same psychology, the same message, but write it for a different avatar. So let's say you make an ad, an emotional story ad for black women, fork it by age, fork it by gender, fork it by something more specific like black woman but mom of three. You can also fork it by a job like black woman lawyer. You can do many things, but keep in mind that you're not changing the emotion, you're just changing who's experiencing it. So please stop doing just small little tweaks to your ads like changing the hook, changing one single phrase, and try doing these big swings. These big swings will beat every tiny tweak that you're doing to your creatives. I guarantee you that. One emotional winner can turn into 5 or 10 scalable angles across different demographics. So please do it. And lastly, and the best one, match funnel type to awareness stage by using breakthrough advertising. This is one of the most advanced hacks in this video, but if you get this right, you'll print money. Not everyone who sees your ad is at the same awareness stage. Some people are most aware, some people are product aware, some people are solution aware, problem aware, and you need to match each stage of awareness to a funnel type. So take a look at this picture. If a prospect is on unaware stage, you can send them to a listicle or an advertorial so you can educate them first and then sell to them. A problem aware prospect can be sent to a product page, a listicle, where you will agitate the problem even more and then sell to them. A solution aware prospect can be sent to a landing page, a product aware can be sent to homepage, product page, listicle, and this goes by. Just take a screenshot of this photo and study it. It might look a little complicated when you first see it, but trust me, if you master this, you'll absolutely scale your brand. Alright, that was it with the 13 hacks. Now it's your turn to just start implementing this. You don't have to implement all 13, just pick one, two, or three and start using them today. Stop consuming and take action, please. I'm telling you, not everyone talks about these hacks. I'm giving them away for free, and that's why I expect you to subscribe. Also, quick note, if you are an e-commerce brand owner and want to scale your brand, me and my team currently run an offer that we will take your e-commerce brand and add 10K per month in 60 days in monthly revenue, or you pay nothing. So if you are interested, please click the link below and we'll discuss if you are a fit or no. You can also join our Discord, which is currently at the building stage, but trust me, there will be a lot of value in the future in this Discord server. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.